Are your iPhone message notification sounds too quiet? Here are some simple settings you can change to make your alerts louder and easier to hear. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. At the top, check if Silent Mode is turned on. If it is enabled, your iPhone may mute your message alerts and ringtones. Turn off Silent Mode. Now, under Ringtone and Alerts, move the volume slider all the way to the right. This will increase the volume of your notification sounds. Next, tap Text Tone. Choose a louder alert sound like Note, or any sound you prefer. Now go back to the main settings page. Tap Notifications. Scroll down and select Messages. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Then, tap Sounds and choose a louder notification tone. If your messages are still quiet, check your focus mode settings. Go back to Settings and tap Focus. If a focus mode is active, it can silence your notifications. You can also swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen and turn off the active focus mode. Another setting to check is Attention Aware Features. Go to Settings greater than Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and turn off Attention Aware Features. This prevents your iPhone from lowering alert volume when it detects that you are looking at the screen. Finally, open the Messages app. If you see a crossed-out bell icon next to a conversation, that chat is muted. Swipe left on the conversation and tap the bell icon to unmute it. And that's it. After these changes, your iPhone message notifications should be much louder and easier to hear.